Nick here, RevXS Customs. Today we're going to have a look at two products. The first up is a 256GB micro SD card, Blitzwolf brand. We picked this up from Banggood. The reason we picked this up is because we also got this. So a 20,000 milliamp power bank from Xomi. We've been using this for the last couple of weeks, just testing it out. So far, for a single charge, we've got about 18 hours of use doing time lapses. It's still actually got 1 bar left on it. You see here. We're sort of estimating we got about 12 hours use before we were down to half. So we're estimating we'd probably get about 24 hours worth of time lapse use out of this. It's quite light for what it is. It's about 340 grams. It's quite a good item because a lot of guys doing time lapses with GoPros, which is what we're recording with now. And of course, you know, the GoPro batteries only last about an hour. And for us, we're doing quite a lot of stationary work with our remote control cars, so having this has been really handy. And then also pairing it up with this card, we've not had any issues with it. I know some people have issues with bigger cards and their GoPros freezing and whatnot. So far, we've had no issues, touch wood. Not to say that it's going to work for everyone. Everyone seems to have quite different views on different cards and their GoPros, whether they work or they don't. For us, this has worked no problem. We've done a lot of 4K work as well, and we've not had it freeze or lose any stuff. Of course, we don't recommend that you use this for weeks and weeks on end without backing up your photos or your videos or what have you, because 256 gig worth of files to lose is not exactly great. This is probably overkill for us, but having the extra space is very handy to know, especially if we're out and about and we don't sort of have access to download it. We can always use the app to download it back to our phone to free up a little bit of space. So here's some of the time lapses we've done just on our GoPro. Just a quick little easy video that we could do and sort of test out the life of this batteries. Like I said, we've got 18 hours out of this to date on both recording on the GoPro, and also we've actually charged our phone off it while it was recording. So we've had quite a good life out of this. Of course, we aren't going to do all the data and, you know, analyze how much the capacity is, if it's actually a true capacity. I mean, there's other guys that have done that. For us, we're going to go out and do real world experiments and just see how it works, you know, on a general user, not the big nerd who's into pulling these apart and working out all the internals and how it works. So if you guys want to pick these up, these are off banggood.com. We've put a link in the description below. They're currently actually on sale. They're a very good price for what they are. So if you guys want to pick them up, head over there, pick one up. Let us know how you get on. If you have any issues with the SD card, like I said, we've had none at all with it. We've had quite good luck with a lot of stuff from Banggood, and especially anything that haven't had issues with, they've sort of been quite quick to refund or replace. So until the next video, have a good one.